What people with social status should know to avoid misfortune in life. This message is not just about the duties of public officials. It is a reflection on how people who gain social status or stable environments should live, and how the right mindset can prevent major misfortune in life. Why do accidents, illness, and life problems happen? Accidents, illness, fraud, and family problems are not simply the result of bad luck. Each person is given a certain amount of social power based on their role, trust, authority, income, and position. When this power is used only for personal gain and not for the benefit of society, an imbalance builds up over time. Eventually, it returns to the person in another form. This is not punishment. It is the natural law of cause and effect. The true meaning of work and public service. A stable job is not meant to be a place of comfort alone. Work is meant to be a place to learn about society and grow as a human being. Those in public service or large organizations stand, whether they realize it or not, in the position of students of society. When work becomes only about salary and complaints, people slowly lose their connection with society. What is real success? Having money or property does not define success. True success is being trusted and respected by others. People naturally gather around those they respect. As a result, opportunities and financial stability follow. Money is not the goal. It is the outcome. If life feels difficult right now, this is not a punishment. It is a signal to learn and realign. Most of us were never properly taught how to live correctly within society. But when we begin to refine ourselves with the intention of contributing to others, life slowly starts to move again. A message to the younger generation: do not see your job only as a tool to live comfortably. The stability and position you receive gain meaning only when they are returned to society. The true goal is not becoming rich, but becoming someone others are grateful to have in their lives. When that becomes your direction, many of life's greatest misfortunes naturally fade away.